Hey everyone, welcome back to Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars, shipping to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. That always makes you laugh, doesn't it, Michael? Hear me doing it.
Usually it takes us 15 or 20 takes before you get it out.
First shot this time, yeah. It's becoming muscle memory, I think.
Yeah.
Joe will be proud of me.
That's
What
right.
have we got today?
We have got some very musical coins today.
Ooh.
These are, as the title would have said, these are the new Elton Johns out of the Royal Mint in the UK.
And you're wearing a Michael Jackson glove.
Very good.
I'd have obviously launched into some Rocketman or something for everyone listening, but it can't trigger copyright. That's the only thing stopping me.
That's your excuse.
It's a good one.
Yeah. So these are the 1 ounce silvers, and they are a beautiful coin. I love them. They come in boxes of 100 if that floats your boat at all. And we'll do, I don't know what the discount will be, but we will do multiple coin discounts.
It'll be on the website.
It will be. I love the way they shrink wrap these things.
The packaging is always different on the Royal Mint stuff. Every time we get an unboxing, it always seems to be something different.
Alrighty. There we go. There's the
Getting
old
close on
Elton
that.
John. I think it's incredibly clever design with the glasses as the
Some music notes.
yeah. What is it? A quaver? No, semi-quaver. Jeez, I'm trying to go back into theory.
You flip it over, there you go.
Yeah. And then on the other side we have Her Royal Highness.
Very nice.
Actually, that one's Her Majesty, isn't it? It's not Her Royal Highness.
You're getting into the technical terms now that I'm not sure I'm
And
qualified enough to speak on.
£2 if you want to go and spend them in the UK. The other thing we also have, we have it in gold. And what is more appropriate than a Elton John in gold?
Nice and over the top and...
Yeah, that's oh, this one was a click seal, you idiot.
Like I said, everything seems to be different. One's sealed, one's in a little Ziploc kind of thing. It's no predicting. Keeps us guessing.
They're almost, well they are. They're exactly the same design, but one's slightly smaller and in gold. Both weighing 1 ounce, of course. It's just gold is more dense, obviously.
Get nice and close on that one. There we go.
Over the page. What's the face value on this one? Oh, it's £100.
£100.
Woof.
We only get $100 on ours.
Yeah.
It's almost double in the time you convert it.
And that's it. We've got a few of them in, so they'll be up on the web by the time you see this, both the gold and the silver. So launch in while you can. They come in rolls of 20, rolls of 20 and boxes of 100. Obviously, you can get them singularly as well if you're after that. I think that's it.
I think that's about it.
Ruben's going to tell me I've forgotten something.
Don't think so. Just head over to the page and go grab them while we've got them.
Beautiful. Like, share, subscribe, all those good things, and we'll talk again soon. See ya.